The dental implants are today's best tooth replacement option. A dental implant is a titanium implant that is placed into the bone and replaces the root of the tooth. Once that heals, an abutment and a crown is placed on top of that implant, and it stimulates that whole area to continue to exist and thrive and grow just like a natural tooth does with the bone and the surrounding jaw structure. It acts as an ideal tooth replacement. If you lose a tooth due to infection, decay, or fracture, it creates a gap. If that gap is not replaced, the bone will resorb and shrink. The neighboring teeth may fall into that space. You start having biting issues, chewing issues. When the bone shrinks, your facial features will collapse, and it opens doors to all sorts of problems in the future. So replacing a tooth within a timely manner, within the 6 months of tooth loss, you can preserve what you have in terms of bone, in terms of ridge, and you save yourself from a lot of future other problems.